Hey everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to make calls on Instagram. So for the process to begin, open the Instagram application. Once you open the Insta app, you need to tap on the message icon on the top right. Tap that. There you choose the person or the Insta user whom you want to call from Instagram. I'm just gonna tap it top one. This will direct you to the conversation piece with that particular person. Here to make a call, you need to tap on the call icon on the top corner of your screen. You can either audio call or video call this person through Insta. I'm just gonna audio call, so tap on that call icon. Once you tap on the call icon, that person will receive a voice call from your Instagram to that user account. Once they tap and accept, they will be able to answer your Instagram call. So this is how you can make a call on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.